Okay, you're on White Rock Road at Prairie City Rd. Some Polara INS push buttons.
Wait to cross White Rock Road at Prairie City Rd. White Rock Road. Walk sign is on the cross. White Rock Road.
Okay. Here's the same one on this side. INS.
Wait to cross White Rock Road at Prairie City Rd. Wait.
And here's where you're crossing Prairie City Road.
Wait to cross Prairie City Road at White Rock Road. Wait.
Go off.
Prairie City. Walk sign is on the cross. Prairie City. Prairie City.
Same one on this side.
Wait to cross Prairie City Road at White Rock Road. Wait. Prairie City. Walk sign is on the cross. Prairie City. Prairie City.
Well, that's it for this video. We'll find a different intersection now. See you later.